this? This guy went a talking doll over there. Check his scope out. Oh man. That's a talking doll. I want to see this guy do it. That's fucking funny as shit. Got the guy in kimono, I would have made a video of him. Put his ass on YouTube. This guy's on this, he runs here. He's running. He's out of breath, he has to stop. No. Who knows? Don't hit my car, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck, people? That's my car. Do you know how to drive? Are we a little close here? Let's back away. You like that close, dude? That's funny as shit. Like, look at that, all that spacing hit my car. I can't believe that shit. It's a joke. It's all that spacing hit my car. I got it on camera. People are funny. It's good, dude. Don't worry about it. It's good. I do it all the time. I just push them out of the way. Because my car is bigger. Oh, that was funny as shit. Why is this thing so damn uneven? Aha! That camera was uneven. It was another bus. There it comes. There it comes, picking up more people. That